Did you know a grandmother spent 60 years stealing millions in diamonds using nothing but charm and sleight of hand? Doris Payne was the world's most successful jewel thief. She had dozens of fake identities: a diplomat's wife in Monte Carlo, a wealthy widow in Beverly Hills, a socialite in Tokyo. Her method was pure psychology. She'd walk into Cartier or Tiffany wearing expensive clothes, request a private viewing, build trust with the staff. Then came her signature move, the switch. While trying on multiple pieces, she'd palm the most expensive diamond, create confusion about what was returned, walk out with a fortune in her purse. For 6 decades, she hit exclusive boutiques across the globe, stole over $2 million in jewelry, arrested 20 times. But her charm got her out of almost every conviction. At age 77, technology finally caught up with her. A security camera in Palm Desert captured her switch technique in crystal clear detail. The legendary career of America's most elegant thief was over.